All right, we're gonna go ahead and you guys, we're gonna turn this over to questions. Please ask any questions that you've had, pending questions for myself or Rishi. You may wanna see who they're for. I'll be looking in the Q&A section for questions to pop up. I know Rishi, you had one question that came in, you wanted to go ahead and answer, right? What did Dr. Popat mean by turning the bracket upside down?
Oh, perfect. Good question. Good question. So we'll go through all the principles of like MBT versus Roth, and every prescription, every bracket has a prescription. So if we just put them on conventionally, the way the bracket was designed for 85% of the bell curve distribution of patients, how the bracket was manufactured, teeth go where they're supposed to, like buccal, like positive, or lingual toward. Sometimes if there's like kind of like a class 2 div 2 case and the laterals are kind of flared, you don't want to torque them out any further. You actually want to tuck them back. So those cases, I usually flip the brackets, the lateral brackets upside down. So I'll get the same upper right 2 bracket, but I'll just turn it upside down on my indirect bonding setup ahead of time. So that way, when I engage the full wires, I'm not going to flare the teeth more positive, more buccal. It'll be more lingual.
Yeah, I've done the same thing. That was a really cool tip and trick.
So it's a great way of doing it early on when you set it and forget it, versus later on when you just put it conventionally and the laterals are still flared. Then you have to get out your torquing pliers, which I don't like. And you have to go in there with steel wires and start torquing those teeth back. It's just easier to use a prescription for you and your advantage to make the case work rather than going out and struggling with the case later on with those laterals.
And these are all special modifications that even if you're ordering from a lab, you can ask for these things. So, and we work with you on that. So great tip. Cool.